Okay, so we're trying to get back to the cabin. Or do I feel like I should still have a car? Oh, well, this is stupid, because it tells me to come here, and this isn't where I'm supposed to be. Right. Logically. Can't go that way, there's a truck in the way. Let's head for the birds. Isn't this where I got the car from? Oh, maybe not. Aha! It's been a while since we found one of those. Creepy. Birds.
The flare gun was probably the best weapon I could imagine against the dark things I was facing.
I've got me flare gun, Barry Wheeler. Whoa! I haven't got time for you guys. Bloody hell. Assholes.
It was the kidnapper.
You son of a bitch! Where's my wife?
Enough horseplay, Wake. You deliver the manuscript, and you can have your woman back. Simple as that.
I don't... Listen. I'm gonna need time to finish it. I still need to write the ending. I need... a week.
It's not done.
I need a week.
2 days. The old Bright Falls coal mine is nearby. You can find it easy, city boy. The main building, there at noon. You bring the manuscript, you'll get your wife. If not, well, get me.
Yes, I get you.
Bloody kidnapper. What's he doing? I don't even remember writing it. Man, you're not being reasonable. I don't have the manuscript.
About birds over the phone.
Lol, Barry, lol. We're gonna get attacked, accosted by birds.
Ow! Ow! I am so glad you're here. A couple of them got in here before I blocked the chimney. This isn't normal. These birds are weird.
Yep. Aha! That'll learn him.
Ow, make him go away, please.
I'll try! Oh my god!
That'll work, Mr. Bird. Shoot. Oh, crap.
There we go, we'll get these birds. Ow. Just keep shooting them. Oh, I was going to say that's a terrific miss aim, but it worked quite well. Woo! Yeah, we did it. Barry. Oh. Barry? It's me. Alan Wake. Your friend. And ally. Maybe I have to go in this way. You opened this door out.
Hey, Al.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sorry for thinking you were having a psychotic episode, man.
I was.
I sent Barry to the town to ask around about a man fitting the kidnapper's description. He'd go through the archives of the local paper. Perhaps he could learn something. Anything about the island and the cabin that had disappeared. The man wanted a manuscript. I had to try to write him one to get Alice back.
God, you're just so
For me, the
overdramatic.
supernatural had always been nothing but a metaphor for the human psyche, a tool to use in writing fiction. Now, it was happening for real, and I couldn't put a single word on paper.
You idiot.
Barry Wheeler speaking.
This is Rose.
Rose?
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Oh, you sweet, brilliant girl.
Could you and Mr. Wake come get them? I live in the trailer park outside the town.
We'll be there in less than an hour.
Bye now.
See you soon.
Have a great day. Hope you come back soon. Welcome to the
Good.